Hello, I'm Wayne Mason, the General Manager and Vice President of Integrys. Integrys is a Canadian company proudly serving the Canadian military market for over 20 years. We supply rugged computers and video systems coupled with engineering services. Let me show you some of the products that we're going to be showcasing at CANSEC in Ottawa. This is a rugged pan-tilt zoom camera from one of our partners, Costar COHU HD. This particular camera is ideal for naval application, monitoring operations above ship deck. It can be used for other critical infrastructure applications, can be used on military bases, can be used for borders, anywhere where you need long range and high accuracy. These are some of the rugged, militarized small form factor computers from our partner, North Atlantic Industries. These particular platforms are very modular, scalable. They allow you to choose your processor and from over 100 I/O modules. So that helps you reduce the non-recurring engineering fees of heavily customized defense industry computers. These computers are ideal for applications where you're concerned with size, weight, and power. They can be used in ground vehicle, for example, for fire and control, data acquisition, as well as vehicle health monitoring. Here are some rack mount computers from our partner One Stop Systems. These rack mount computers can be used for GPU accelerated applications. It can be used where you require a lot of expansion slots. And in general, anywhere where there's huge amounts of data from sensors that you need processed in real time. I look forward to seeing everybody at CANSEC in Ottawa, Ontario.
Hey guys, it's Jordan from Integrys. We're here at CANSEC Day 2. We had a ton of fun talking to all kinds of people in the military sector here at CANSEC, which is the largest Canadian military trade show. Here we're showcasing a few products from some of our suppliers. This is products from Core Systems, some ruggedized computers from them, as well as some ruggedized computers from One Stop Systems. And one of our longer standing partners is North Atlantic Industries, as well as showcasing our security camera from Costar COHU. And we also have some GPU units from Diamond Systems. And to explain a little bit more about these lines, I'll hand it off to Zowdy from Core Systems.
Hi, welcome to CANSEC 2023. My name is Zowdy Wandam. I'm with Core Systems in San Diego. I'm here today at the Integrys booth. Integrys is our local Canadian representative for our products in the Canadian space. We're actually here highlighting 3 of our newest products. So this is the first product that we're highlighting here at CANSEC 2023. This is a portable server in a laptop form factor. This current model has 2 removable drive bays, 256 gigs of RAM. It has Xeon CPU, and it has a built-in UPS that gives you about 45 minutes of uptime and operation in this configuration without needing external power. This is a true server class laptop form factor. This is another one of the unique products that we're highlighting here at CANSEC. This platform is a portable data server. This has the advantages of having 3 independent nodes that are physically and electrically separated. You get 8 cores per node. Each node is removable by mechanical means, just a couple of thumb screws, and we can also adjust how these are mounted. There is a built-in switch. You have up to a 16-port switch that's integrated in this unit. You can stack several of these data centers. You have up to 4 expansion drive bays per node, allowing you to have a ton of storage. And because there's a built-in battery power, you're also protected from power surges and power loss, allowing you to do graceful shutdowns of your data. And so this is another one of the products that we're highlighting today. This is our small form factor mission computer. It is currently fielded on vehicles and airplanes. It has a removable drive bay in this form factor. There's no moving parts, so it's really designed for environments where you have extreme shock and vibration. It's impervious to that. Extended temperature ranges, and it uses the sealed mill circular connectors, allowing it to survive in really austere environments. We call this our mission computer.
To learn more, please call us on +1 888 509 8455 or email us at info@integrys.com.